Hey guys, it's Jake from Schumaker Invest. Welcome back to the next video. And a quick update on the house so far. We stopped doing some of the demo and kind of got into some more of the framing aspect of it. As you can see here, this was a trap door to the basement that we framed off. Kind of a creepy basement. You can look at the foundation, it's all stone. That's how you know how old the house is. And what they did here originally, the previous homeowners, there was a staircase that went up to the second floor that you can see that was ripped down, and they, put kind of just butted up new floor joists to it, which is definitely not structurally sound, and somehow the house was still, or the second floor was still up there. There's actually a bathroom up there too, so it had to retain quite a bit of weight. But as a result of that, the hall upstairs was pretty much sagging at this point about 1.5 inches. So what we did was we came in here with bottle jacks and scissor jacks, jacked the floor up, got it all level, and put in this new beam, this load-bearing beam to get the floor nice and level. So another thing we're going to be doing here, like I said, we're making this into a duplex, and we're going to split it down the middle this way as opposed to top and bottom. I think that's the best. It's going to be a little more time-consuming and expensive, but we think for the current market value, it's going to add the most bang for our buck. So we're going to split it down the middle. What we're going to do is we're going to be putting in a wall here right off this door and pretty much going this way, splitting it. This staircase is going to be removed. And like I said before, kind of a similar structure to this staircase, we're going to be putting this staircase against this wall over here. So it's going to come up this way, and up to the upstairs, and then mirror that on the other side for the other unit. And where this is here, we're actually going to be putting in, this is where the kitchen's going to be. We're going to take out this bay window. It's not worth getting all new windows to fix this, so we're just going to take it off, put a window in here, and we're going to have a peninsula kitchen extension over here, and then this will come into the family room. And again, we're going to have another wall coming in right about here, and this will be the family room, and then upstairs we're probably going to split it into a 2-bedroom and a 3-bedroom unit. And then in terms of the general framing, we decided to keep all of the plaster and drywall that's up now and the insulation in there, and we're actually just going to frame off of it. It's going to make it a lot easier. It's going to be quicker, more time efficient, cost efficient as well, because then it's way easier to run all new wires and the heat. So, and another thing, you can see the ceilings are about 10 feet high plus. We're going to drop those down to about 9-foot ceilings. We've got 9-foot 2x4 pre-cuts that we're going to be using, and that's going to make things a lot quicker as well. This way. This way. So as you can see here, we're framing this partition wall, half of it, and one thing we want to do before we lay out all of our 2x4s are make sure that the crowns are the same. So the crown is, the wood's going to be bowed, so it's either going to be like this, or the opposite side is going to be the U shape. And want to make sure that they're all the same, facing the same way, so all the bows go like this, or all the bows are the other way. Alright, so now that we got our walls all framed up, the next step in this room would be to put up some furring strips on the existing ceiling so that it doesn't come down. We just need to trim a couple of these where the old wall was hanging down, and then we're going to lay our ceiling joist across, because again we're doing a 9-foot ceiling as opposed to a 10-foot ceiling. So this room is going to be done for now. Next, what we're going to do is transition over into this room. And so what we decided to do was make this a bathroom. We're going to come in, we're going to lay this off here as a wall, come in all the way over here to this, and then again, this is where our partition is between the units, so this is going to be a half bathroom. And what we're going to do is we need to rip all this shit out. So, just start, get out of the way. Alright, so we got the bathroom framed in. We got this wall, this wall. We're going to put up this wall later. We're going to have a stackable dryer, washer unit here, probably a vanity here, and a toilet here. We're going to have a partition wall here to run the electrical. Over here, we're going to have, this is where the door is going to be. So we're just going to go over how to mark our plates for the door opening.
What you do is you make sure you have enough room for trim for your door opening, so you come out 3 inches. For your standard trim is 2.5. So you lay out a double stud. Then from that point you measure over your rough opening for your door, and this is going to be a 2/8 door, 32 inches. So that means you need 34-inch rough opening. Oh no, excuse me. We're actually going to make this a 30-inch door, so you need 32-inch rough opening. So you mark your 32 studs on the other side. Then you pick back up with your standard layout. We can actually mark the studs for the cripples above, so that it's all uniform for the drywall. And that's all you do. So you have your rough opening, and then mark it off. This is not a bearing wall, so we don't have to worry about a header above. We just got to, put nailing for the trim. All right, and that will about do it. You do this, we get our studs nailed in, it'll be good to go.
All right, so you can see here after we marked it up, framed it up quick, and we have our 2 jack studs, like we mentioned before, and then we have our 2 cripples up top. So this is the rough opening for the door. This obviously would get cut out, and then we can hang our door to the bathroom, and it's going to swing open like this.